Yeah, so this is the controller board. Up this side is the power transformer. Don't touch anything there. This is the interlock switch, so that's what prevents the board from opening when it's on, supposedly. This is where all of the voltage is split out. So this is earth. I think that's 12 volts, and that's 5-volt bar. We've got some breakers down the bottom, some other stuff I'm not sure about. These are the breakouts for each of the motors, so that goes down to each of the stepper motors. Over here we've got all the sense equipment, so this is all of your X, Y, Z limits and any other switches or sensors. You've got the Ethernet board, which is receiving instructions from the computer, and then the stepper driver here. And then each of these 4 things up here is the stepper drivers. So we've got 2 in the X, 1 Y, 1 Z.